Hello, this video explanation for Capsim Capstone competition round 2. For this strategy, we did not add new product from round 1, so we can update add 2 more products in round 2. Of course, we get a very good sales, but lower net profit a little bit. But from round 4, when the new product is ready, we win little game with the highest sales and also net profit. So invest early, we will get more advantage than competitors in terms of production and more effectively to produce the products. So we take the industry condition report you see on the screen, industry condition report from the report tab, and then we use Excel file to calculate R&D performance and size for the next 8 rounds, right, from round 2 to round 8, 7 rounds. We adjust the product, update the product based on the Excel file to get the product close to the ideal spot. So we can try with the ideal spot first. If that takes too long time and higher cost, we can reduce a little bit to make the product launch in the right time from June or July or sometime August. Maybe September is okay. So next round our product can get the good performance and size and start selling well. We reduce MTBF a little bit, not too much in each segment because that costs too much. So we reduce to keep that high medium of MTBF, mean time before failures, for all the 5 segments. The only number 4 performance, we keep that max for 27,000 hours because the for segment performance customer prefer performance the best, right? So we add 2 more product in low end segment and 1 more product, the second new product in traditional segment, because these 2 products has high sales and also good market growth rate. So that's for R&D. Now we take the launching date. The second product we do not update because number 2 low end is optimal already, right? We just change the MTBF to 14,000. We do not keep that 7 or 15 or 16 because that's too high, cost too much. Just keep that higher than competitors, then we can sell better, right? And also get good net profit margin. We take the other products, if they launch in 2020, it's okay. Some launch in 2021, we can adjust that, lower the performance and increase the size a little bit so that the new product will be ready in the same year, the second round, and around June or September is okay, right? Again, this company for this sample set for this company, so we for this strategy, so we do not add any product in round 1. So in round 2 we can add 2 more products. If we do so, sales are good but net profit reduce a little, but we still get advantage. We will get very good advantage in round 4 to the end of the game. So again, we check the price for the marketing. We check the price again, reduced 20 cent, 50 cent for each product. Please note to check the career report for each segment to compare the price in the best-selling product in each segment, so that we keep the price high as possible, but close to the most the strongest competitors, right? And then we come to the sales focus. We check the unit we sold from last round to get the demand and multiple by the segment growth rate, and then we add about 15% for round 2 is okay because we have very good product, so we can add 15% more higher than demand multiple by the segment growth. And then we add 10% or 12% for production. And now we come for the production. It's very important to add more capacity for the new product. First, we add the capacity for the current 5 product first. Cake number 2, cedar, CID, coat, and cure. Note that the production we have already added 12% to avoid it out. Also, we get very good product, so we can sell better than competitors, right? For automation, we increase, and I noticed that the company sold a few capacity from last round. For example, traditional we sell about 300, and the other we sell for the high end we sell 200, and the other performance side we sell 100. That's okay, but it's not suggested because later round we will add more capacity. So this round we add 500 for new low-end product, and 200 for the old low-end product, and 300 for the new traditional. Now for the HR we add about 3,040 hours. Next round we will use 5,080 hours max for HR investment. And for finance, we use both sources of investment, 19 million for stock issue and 21 million for long-term loans. So we get about 40 million. And this estimated result, we get very good sales, 188 million. Over 666 million contribution margin and 12 million net profit. That's estimated only, but that's good. We just keep about few million net profit for first round. Thank you. Good luck and success.